This is Singapore's first-of-a-kind centralized greenhouse gas abatement system, installed above a live production facility, designed and delivered by Exyte for a high-tech semiconductor fab client. The centralized abatement system will remove perfluorocarbons, PFC, emissions generated by semiconductor manufacturing tools with high global warming potentials. Building on early R&D works, Exyte executed the full EPC scope for this first-of-a-kind greenhouse gas abatement system and successfully delivered the project within 24 months. Customized solutions were applied from design through commissioning to ensure seamless integration into a live production environment. The project involved complex heavy construction above a live cleanroom and production facility with zero operational disruption. Structural modifications were executed without compromising the integrity of existing facilities. Strong engineering expertise addressed critical constraints in structural design, system integration, and permitting. Structural design was a critical focus area. Cleanroom integrity and fire compliance had to be maintained during the installation of the new 850 square meter GHG platform, designed to support a load capacity of 570 tons. 12 structural columns had to penetrate the existing 8mm corrugated metal roof, while preserving the live cleanroom air plenum envelope and full weather tightness. System integration demanded precise coordination. The full GHG system integrates several interdependent process subsystems. Together, these systems were engineered to handle exhaust pressures up to -10,000 pascals, flow rates of 9,550 cubic meters per hour, and design temperatures up to 850 degrees Celsius. The GHG abatement system was designed and installed to specification, with performance validated through 36,292 test scripts covering all operations and safety interlocks. Permitting consideration added further complexity. To avoid the cost impact of converting the rooftop into a habitable area, Exyte designed a self-contained electrical house using off-site manufacturing approach, fully compliant with fire and safety requirements. Exyte designed the GHG abatement system using building information modeling that provides good coordination, collaboration, and installation on site. At Exyte, safety is instinctive and intrinsic. Through the Incident-Free Workplace program, a strong safety culture was embedded across all project personnel, achieving zero lost time injuries. Real, measurable sustainability impact. From an environmental sustainability perspective, the system achieved up to 95% reduction in PFC emissions, lowering client emissions by around 28,000 metric tons of CO2 annually and saving 90 million kilowatt-hours of energy each year. Exyte is committed to achieving decarbonization for clients through innovative solutions. Exyte is building the future smartly, sustainably, and safely.